I've been exploring the Wakeout Exercise mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Wakeout is a short movement-based app designed for people who sit a lot, feel stiff, or struggle with energy dips during the day, including desk workers, remote workers, and those managing chronic pain or low motivation to exercise. The core idea is simple. You open the app, choose what you need right now, pick where you are, and it serves quick 1 to 3 minute routines tailored to that situation, with over 2,500 movements that fit into everyday life without equipment or changing clothes. It also adds small motivators like goals, streaks, reminders, and an Apple Watch companion, plus an active pass feature that can pause social apps until you complete a short movement break, which many reviewers say finally nudges them to move more consistently. However, it's not without flaws. After the 7-day free trial, you need a subscription for full access, which some potential users may find hard to justify compared with free fitness content. A few reviews also hint that staying motivated is still a challenge for some people, even if they like the concept, and as with any app, you can expect the occasional glitch or update-related adjustment period. Overall, Wakeout is a solid choice if you value quick, low-pressure movement breaks to ease pain and boost energy, especially during long workdays. If you prefer structured workouts, dislike subscriptions, or expect deep coaching and detailed programs, you may find it less satisfying. But for gentle, frequent movement nudges built into your day, it's a friendly, practical option. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.